here as he really digs into the piece. Alright, Mike, you're up.
Holy crap, that is like cardboard.
And you guys don't go too far because, you know, we'll try to get some like reaction type shots.
Just you want him to go all the way through?
Yeah, go all the way through.
Okay.
Maybe I'll, yeah, let's just go all the way through. Let's just do it like that.
That was awesome.
Oh my gosh.
Yay!
Wow.
Alright, let me have you two guys stand right here and right in front of this thing right here. And just
Pretend like we're watching.
pretend like you're watching him cut with the chainsaw.
Alright, yeah, let me get focus here.